Here's a full tutorial on how to create this sword using a 3D printer.
So now for the printing. The printing part, you'll need to slice your model in any software, any slicer you want. And make sure to be, for your final file to be a .goo file, because it's one of the only, it's the best type of file that works with that printer. So then just put your file on any USB key. That's the one with, that is the one that comes with the printer, but it doesn't matter. You can take any. You plug it in. It's a really basic menu. You have three pages. You go on USB file. This is like the USB key that comes with it. So you go on printing test, and then I just put my model in this folder. So this is like the folder of like what comes with the machine, but this is my print. So you click on it and then print. That's all. Make sure for this to be really well tightened, and you should be good.
All right, now this 3D printer is going to do its thing. This is going to take 1 hour and 25 minutes to complete the design. It's using a UV resin, and I will also show the bottle that we're using here. And it does show how long it takes for this to complete on the front of the machine, which is a very handy tool. As the 3D printer is doing its thing, you're gonna also wanna put the top on. This is to protect the resin from any UV light. The resin that we're using comes in a bottle like this, and there are different colors to choose from. Okay, it's been 1 hour and a half, and the first layer is complete. We're going to take it off, and we're gonna show you exactly what we got. We will use a flat blade chisel to carefully remove the 3D pieces off the plate, and we are dipping it into rubbing alcohol. The reason why we are dipping this into rubbing alcohol is if there is any uncured resin, this will remove all of that. Now we're going to completely clean off the plate and reattach it to our 3D printer machine to get ready for the next layer. All right, we're now going to take a look at the pieces that we've taken off the first tray, and we are going to carefully remove the actual pieces from the supports. And you have to make sure that you do this carefully so that you don't break any parts. When making a 3D print, there are many layers to the project. Our final piece is ready to be shown. You can see so much detail, and we are loving this sword that we created.